Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So while in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram notification not working on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open Instagram, and then you have to tap on your profile, and then you have to tap on three lines here, and then you have to tap on settings, and now you have to tap on notification. And from here you have to make sure that if this toggle is turned off, if this toggle is turned on, then you have to turn it off and then go back from here. And after that, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on notification from here. And from here you have to make sure that you have a lot notification of Instagram. You have to tap on Instagram, and from here you have to check if this toggle is turned on. So you have to turn on this toggle, and then you have to check all of these, and then you have to scroll it on, and then you have to tap on automatic, and then you have to make sure that you have checked on automatic, and then you have to tap on show previews, and from here you have to tap on when unlock or always. So you have to tap on always, not never. You can tap on when unlock or always, but you don't be able to tap on never. So you have to tap on always, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the bounce gets there, then what you need to do is just simply open setting from here, scroll it on, tap on channel. From here you have to tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to wait for a while, and then you have to scroll it on from here, and then you have to tap on settings Instagram, and from here you have to upload the app and then reinstall it, and then check whether the form has been fixed or not. And if the form still is there, then what you need to do is just simply remove the app from your phone and then restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.